is my gallery of my song. Mr. Rodney made it, and it is called Butterfly Driving a Jeep. It's a really cool song. Me and Mr. Rodney love it so much.
Go on, keep talking. So he created this project for the office. He put the butterflies in the Jeep because he loved Tamir's song and he loved Tamir.
Tamir, are you going to sing it? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Butterfly driving a Jeep. All day long. Singing his song.
Turn it down.
Fluttering in the car. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's fluttering in the car. Butterfly driving a Jeep. Butterfly driving a Jeep.